Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So first of all, we are going to clean up our granules, just pick out the dirt and ensure it's well cleaned. Then I'm pouring in salt. This is the salt I've used before to do the same granules, and I just poured it in my pot. And when it's hot, I'll go ahead and add my cleaned granules. So I'll stir this continuously on medium heat until you can feel the fragrance of the granules all over the place, and you can see the peel of the granules detaching from the granules easily. Then you let it cool down and it's ready. So let it cool down completely. Then you strain it with this strainer. As it cools down, it gets browner, so be careful and know when to remove it from the fire. Just as I told you, when it's fragrant, when you can see that the peels are coming out, then you know it's ready. Take out from the fire and let it cool down. So you want to peel this to remove the back of the granite, and this is it, all cleaned up. You want to do this several times until you remove all the back, and this is what we have. I went ahead and did for the rest of the granite, and I divided it into two because I'm going to be making plain granite paste, and I'm going to be making the local granite paste that you can use to eat garden egg. So I just put this into the blender and I'm going to blend this. So when it starts sticking to the blender, you off the blender and shake. Use a spoon to turn it around and just help the blender to get this work done. It took just about 5 minutes to finish this whole procedure. So you continue to blend again, and when it's sticking again, you do the same thing. You off it, use your spoon to scrape the sides and continue. And after like 3 or 4 times, then it's easier for the blender to go through and everything will just blend. It's getting easier now. You can see the under what's going on there. So gradually turning into a paste. So you just continue with the process until you have your granite paste. Please, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button and put on the notification bell so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be among the first to know. Thank you. And if you just subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing, and please click the like button. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos and sharing. Please keep it up and help this channel to grow. Thank you so much. So you can see how it's going now. It's easier and it's blending very smoothly. So I added just a little bit of salt, and that's all. I didn't add any oil whatsoever. But some people used to add oil, maybe, I don't know why, just to hasten their blender to do its work. But what do I have a blender for if I can't use it? I will use the hell out of this blender. So this is what we have. So this is just groundnuts, that's all, and a little bit of salt to taste. And you have your groundnut paste, peanut butter. Can use it for so many recipes. Can use it to eat your bread and maybe some snacks and the rest. You see how lush and smooth it looks. You can also use this to eat garden eggs, cucumbers, and any other thing that you want to. So you just store this in a jar, an airtight jar. See how smooth it looks. This is so nice, guys. So if you have a good blender, just give this a try and you will never buy peanut butter again. Just one ingredient. I bought this groundnut for 1,200 for a mudu. And a mudu is about 8 cups. So I think it's worth the try. So to our next, I'm going to pour the rest into the blender and I'll add in the local spices. This is African nutmeg, calabash nutmeg rather, alligator pepper and negro pepper. So I'm adding that into the blender and a little bit of salt. And I'll just repeat the same process. I'll repeat the same process until I'm done. This is called Ose Oji. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And it's a traditional Igbo groundnut paste used to eat garden egg, and it's used for most of their occasions. So after adding all these ingredients, you can also add dried pepper for that spiciness, but I didn't add in this one. Just add dry pepper, and if you have pepper soup spice, just add a little bit of it and you have your that flavor that you want in that traditional groundnut paste. And this is what we have. So lush and yummy, smooth, fine groundnut paste. You see how smooth it looks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.